There's a question that Jason James asked that I wanted to answer. He asked, is it fair to assume that the price of used cars on Saipan are much higher compared to the mainland? And he asked that question with the last video that I published that talked about the surprisingly cheap and surprisingly expensive things on Saipan. So he assumes that the price of used cars on Saipan are much higher. What I'm curious about, Jason, is what your calculus is, how you came to that assumption that the price of used cars would be more expensive here. Because I'd like to find out what the assumptions are so that I can address those directly. But I'll tell you my experience. First of all, a couple things in context. As far as used cars on the island, keep in mind, it's a small island. There are only 44,000 people here on Saipan, and most people tend to keep their cars long term. That's what I have found. So unlike the way it might be in the States where people are trading in their cars every however 5 to 10 years in order to move up the social ladder and keep up with the Joneses. Here on Saipan, people tend to hold on to their cars for the long term. We don't have the fluctuations of winter and summer, so the cars don't get as abused as they might in the on the mainland. And also that social pressure to keep up with the Joneses doesn't really exist here, to the best of my knowledge, or at least it hasn't reached me. So people here tend to hold on to their cars. So the cars that you will likely see, and there's also a majority of the population that does not drive. So you have many contract workers, many nurses, many cashiers, many hotel workers who are perfectly happy taking the public transportation, or they may take a cheap taxi to, or carpool with friends to get to work. So the majority of the population is not trading in their cars because they have none. So typically, if you see a car that's on sale, a used car, and for many years you would likely see those parked along Beach Road with for sale signs. Typically, when someone is selling a car, you're usually going to find that it's someone who is leaving the island. It's someone who may be a consultant, maybe a doctor, maybe a teacher, maybe someone working for the government who has been reassigned. Maybe, and as a result, what you have is someone who needs to sell the car quickly because they're leaving island and they may not have family or friends or anyone they can leave it with. They may not have anyone who's interested in purchasing it. So that individual is typically a motivated buyer. So I find when I bought my first Corolla, shortly after coming to the island, I bought it from a store owner, Chinese store owner who was leaving island, and I got it for $4,000. This current car that I have, I didn't actually want a car, but I had a friend who was leaving island, and she also needed to sell the car. And as a result, I basically helped her out. We helped each other out, but purchased a car even though I wasn't looking to buy one, and got a good deal from her. So typically, I find that the cars that are used cars that are being sold are motivated sellers, so that typically tends to drive the price down. So that's my experience. So what tends though to be expensive is if you're looking for a certain type of car, particularly pickup trucks. Those tend to be in high demand, so it's sometimes hard to get a used pickup because many people here use pickups. That's the vehicle of choice here for hauling people and hauling families here on Saipan. So those might tend to be higher, but generally I don't find that to be true.